Hello everyone, in this video we will explain the fundamentals of the network. My colleague and I will explain the most important points in which this interesting topic is derived. To start, the individual packets of a message may take different routers in the network on their way to their destination. As a result, they may arrive sent in. So upon arrival, the destination device must put them into the prepared order to create the original message. Traffic between a network is directed by network device called routers. But your computers, not routers, know the exact path a message from one computer to another must follow, especially inside a vast web of networks such as the internet. What routers do you know is the next best stop towards a destination? So a router that receives a packet reads the destination and decides to which other routers that is directly connected to it. It must be for every two. The next router repeats this process until the packets reach a router that is connected to the receiving device. Network address. In order for two computers to communicate with each other, they need to be able to identify each other from amongst all the other computers in the world. This is done in two ways. A hostname is a unique name that specifies a particular computer of the internet. Hostnames are generally routable words separated by dots. For example, Wikipedia, point, or org. As you can understand, each hostname has a corresponding IP address. So, in order for you to be able to use convenient and easy to remember hostname, we need a way to translate, resolve this code. Each hostname into the corresponding IP address. This is done automatically by the domain name system DNS. To continue, my colleague will explain more about the subject.
Protocols. Generally speaking, a protocol is a set of rules that define how two things speak to each other on interacted. So a network protocol is a set of rules that define how data is formatted and processed on a network. Network protocols are layered so that each one relies on the protocols that underlie it, forming in that way protocol stack. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and EP stands for Internet Protocol. The name is TCP AP. Reference to a suite of protocols are unitary programs that support low-level networks communication. The name TCP EP implies that TCP relies on the EP foundation below it. Those lower two layers of the protocol stack for a foundation of internet communication. EP software is a responsible for routing of packets through the web of the various networks to their final destination. TCP software splits the messages in the packets, passes then to EP software for transmission, and then routers and resembles the packets and their destination. TCP software also deals with any errors that occur, such as if a packet never arrives at the destination or the contents of a packet are corrupted. UDP stands for User Data Protocol, is in an alternative to TCP. The main difference is that TCP is highly reliable and the cons of decreased performance, while UDP is less reliable but generally faster. Note that UDP is part of the TCP/IP suite of protocols.
The World Wide Web. One of the most common mistakes many people make when discussing network is that they use the terms internet and web interchangeable. The internet is the global network that allows any computer connected to it to communicate with others. The internet is a medium through which information travels. On the other hand, the World Wide Web, or simple the web, is a specific way of accessing information over the medium of the internet. The web is a system of interlinked documents that are called web pages and which are accessible via the internet. Interlinked means that each pages can link to one or more other web pages. The web uses the HTTP protocol, one of the many languages spoken over the internet, to transmit data. To access web pages, we use programs called web browsers, which allow users to see these documents and click on links to navigate to other pages. These links are called hyperlinks. Each page on the web is uniquely identifiable by an address called URL, which stands for Uniform Source Locator. For example, endpoint Wikipedia point or /wiki /world _wide_web. Note that a URL contains a hostname and point Wikipedia .org, as well as the other information used to locate a particular document offered by the specific host. Web pages are created with hypertext markup language or HTML, although the name hypertext suggests pages which contain text and links to other pages. Today it is most common for a web pages to contain or link to other types of media as well, such as images, audio, and video. Certain Berners-Lee is a British computer science, but known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. He implemented the first successful communication between two computers using the HTTP protocol in 1989.
Firewalls. Firewalls is a software or hardware-based network security system that controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic by analyzing the data packets and determining whether they should be allowed through or not. It can be found as a software program running on your computer, embedded in non-working hardware devices like routers, or as a standalone device. A firewall creates a security barrier that separates and protects a single computer or local network from the internet. Let's take a quick look at the evolution of firewalls to get a better idea of the functionality and capabilities of today's firewalls. First generation. The first generation firewalls acted as packet filtered by inspecting each individual packet that wanted to come in or out of the local network. For example, a firewall can be configured to only allow packets of a specific protocols and block all others or allow packets coming from a specific server. Second generation. Second generation firewalls perform the work of the first generation processors, but renting packet until enough information is available to make judgment about its state. Third generation, the latest firewalls. Called application layer firewalls are able to inspect traffic by filtering each level protocol like FTP, DNC, and HTTP, and block any unwanted protocol objected if protocol is being abused in any harmful way. They can understand the use of data packets and reject anything that seems strange. Thank you.
Is assisting this to protect private network from users' access to an interconnection. This can be hardware or software or a combination of both in addition to can be configured to prevent network users from access extreme websites. Check you out firewall and Microsoft Windows come equipped with software firewall. Make sure in or sure into if this is. Click Start and then click Control Panel. Hit the Zero Box State Firewall and click Windows Firewall. If it is green, your firewall is enabled. Select your Windows Firewall on your network and click